So as you can see, I just made my cup of tea. You know, a real Caribbean thing or Jamaican thing, you know, you have to drink a cup of tea in the morning. So what I decided is that I'm gonna start doing weekly vlogs because I feel like I want to be more interactive and more consistent on here. So I'm gonna do like weekly vlogs, and then like either I make a video, a hair video, or any type of like sit down video where like I put like, you know, like thoughts into it and do it. So that's what I decided to do. So this is the first weekly vlog on my channel. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. I now do vlogs, beauty, hair related videos, and budgeting videos once in a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So today I don't have much planned. I just have an appointment at Apple at 5 and I need to clean up. I bought groceries the other day and I haven't unpacked it, so I just need to unpack my groceries, and I have dishes in the sink I need to clean. So that's just all I have to do. So basically you guys are just going to be cleaning with me today, and if anything else happens I'll just vlog that as well. 13th. So I think the last thing I did on yesterday's video, not yesterday's video, but yesterday, was clean. And all I did was clean, did laundry, and I had to go to Apple because something is wrong with my phone, but it's something I could have done at home. Then I went to do this lady's hair. Guys, I'm not a hairstylist, you know, but the lady came to my workplace and she's like, oh my god, did you do your hair? And I'm like, yes girl, I did. She's like, oh, I need you to do my hair. So I installed her wig. Guys, look at it. I wish it would focus. Hold on. There you go. Yeah, band the lace, band the lace. Okay, so today I'm going to the orthodontist. I should be taking my braces off. Oh, you see my booty. I should be taking my braces off. Let's praise the Lord and hope that this is true, because I wouldn't say I'm tired of it, but I'm just excited to see my teeth without braces. And then I think I want to go to Marshall's or Ross because I'm going out with those girls I met. I'm going out with them on Friday. And yeah, I need like a cute little top and probably a shoes because it's really effing cold in Texas for some strange reason. Look, that cannot be. What? Get it together. So I have that to do, and I'm gonna take my little brother out to get like ice cream or frozen yogurt and then take him to this trampoline park because I've been promising him and I haven't. I was supposed to get my nails filled. I had to cut this one down because my nail like lifted. Guys, I just wake up, just ignore my dry mouth. And then this one was coming off. I just look like a hot mess. I'm gonna see if I can go get it done on Friday because I don't I close on Friday. Actually, let me do it while, oops.
Okay, tell me what you are doing. So this is catching all the microchips in all of our tags to collect the inventory for the store so you can keep track of what we have.
Guys, TikTok is so weird. Guys, I actually don't think I've shown you my hair. So I had a middle part and then I changed it to a side part. So this was me yesterday. Oh, looking like a baddie, period. Guys, go follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave it on the screen because I'm becoming more active. Like, you know, I posted 2 videos back to back. Well, yeah, by the time I post this, that video will be posted. Yeah, and I have some editing to do, and I'm gonna cook. I've cooked jerk chicken on here before on my channel, but I'm just gonna do it again because my boyfriend likes that, so that's what I'll be cooking. But yeah, let me look if the girl have any appointments on Friday. Because I need a fill ASAP. Okay, she does. Okay, I'm booked, so yeah. But guys, I'm gonna go freshen up and see if I can go to Ross and Marshall's before my orthodontist appointment at 11:30. And I think I'm gonna make my jerk sauce and clean the chicken, so I'll just show you guys all of that. But yeah, I'm gonna go freshen up and get myself together. My braces, let me move this out of the way. My braces are not coming off, unfortunately, for like 2 more appointments. So I'm kind of annoyed. But now that they're done, in my mouth, I'm just gonna do my lips. Not do my lips, I mean like put my lip liner and my lip gloss on, because you know they're gonna be all in my mouth. So I wasn't trying to do it and then have them mess it up. Now we on and popping, period. All right, let's get going. Guys, trying to get a good Instagram picture. You took any? The struggle is real. They can't even see me good. Yeah, I'm vlogging. You looking at yourself? I should have a bag, darling. Okay guys, darling can't take pictures and pictures came out ass, but I'm heading to the gym. You know, 2021, we're getting this body snatched. So this is just my gym fit. I'm headed to the gym and I'm gonna show you guys me finishing up the chicken I was making earlier. So see you guys when I get back. So guys, this is the food I made. Just some plantain, jerk chicken, and some steamed cabbage. And this is cranberry juice. So I'm trying to detox. But yeah, I just didn't get to show you guys the food. So this is what I'm gonna have tonight. Good morning guys! It's Friday and I have work at 1. It's currently 8:33 and I'm going to my nail appointment to fill my nails because they're looking raggedy. So okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna go fill my nails and I think I might go to, I don't know where I'm gonna go, but if I go I'll take you guys with me. But I'm just gonna, when I get to my nail appointment, I'm gonna vlog it and show you guys what I get. Oh no! Yeah, sorry about that. Show you guys what I get and like the whole shebang. So I'll get back to you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I just left the nail tech and finished my nails. So this is what the finish look is. I tried to do something different, so it's like nude with that design that I saw on Instagram. The lighting is bad.